Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can change the font style, the font itself, for your text box and shapes and diagrams on Lucidchart. So let us guide you through this. So in 2026 guys, this is how it works. Navigate to diagram, let me go with that example one here and click into the given shape or the text box, double click into the given text to highlight it. And here in top left, in the very top left corner guys, you will see the custom font style. So you may go with one of these, select the font from that menu as long as it is supported. You of course may gain access to more of these fonts by clicking into manage fonts here. And after that you will be redirected to the font manager. You may install more by clicking into this button or simply search for font in the library. Navigate to popular, enabled or uploaded. And if you'd like to enable some of these, simply switch them on here to the right. You can also go with one of these styles here. That's it, to add it to that list, and simply switch to the given one, like that one. That's how we change the font style on Lucidchart in 2026. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.